Okay guys, welcome, thanks for watching again. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing of, oh shit, my camera's really off, better. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing of parts that I bought from Wish. Some are already open, but yeah, that's just me, I cannot wait for so long. Something came damaged, I don't know, this one. It was already opened, not by me. But this stuff, I think, is all parts for the car. I hope I didn't order like, I don't know, scissors or something. This is what I'm gonna use. My stepsister's scissors, or a little knife, but I do not think I can cut through this. So I'm gonna start off with some news about the car. A time ago, my bobine was broken, so I was on the side of the road, called the, we call it AMB, like road service. They fixed my car. Now it's running perfectly. I've got a new bobine, I don't know how you call it in English, and bougie cables. Also, I think I'm gonna do a giveaway on my ULED headlights. There is some moisture in it, but yeah, I just want to get a new one. I want to get a dynamic one, like if you turn on your blinker, it's a little stripe like the new Audis have. So I think I'm gonna do a giveaway on my old headlights. So if you like me to do a giveaway, please share, like and comment, and I will probably do it. I don't know when. I think when I have like more followers. So it's a bigger contest. That'll have like 4 followers, so you already know who's gonna win. About that, that's fixed by the car. The fuse of my subwoofer, my amplifier, was broken. The fuse was like in good shape, but it just didn't give it the voltage through. So I built a new one. I will show it in my next video, where I will install some of these parts on the car, or I will do it in the same video, but I think I'm gonna do it in the next video. So let's start opening some shit. I think this is like 30 euros in total with shipping and that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna open this one first. That's empty. Oh, these are the side stripes, I think. Yeah, these are like little carbon fiber looking strips you can put on your front bumper or rear bumper, but I think we're gonna put them on the front bumper. This is just stuck with some tape, and it will give it like an aggressive look. I don't know. They were like 2 euros and €1 in shippings. That's pretty nice. I do like it. Maybe it looks good also, but that's something I will do in the next video. I want to get another big one. This was already open, not by me, but it's open. I think I know this. I think this is the inlays for all the holes in the dashboard. So this is rubber inlays for my door, in my glove compartment, I don't know, on the door, my cup holders, and it says Polo in red, because a lot of things in my car are red, so I choose red. I think these go next to the handbrake, but I'm not sure. That looked pretty good. This was like 4 euros in total with shipping. Shit. I'm gonna lay it here. Next, this one. I did order like a flashlight, because I want to have a flashlight in my car at all times, a small LED flashlight. But I do not think it's in here, because yeah, it was bigger on photo. So I think I've got screwed. But that's okay. I have really no idea what it is. Oh! Oh, these are nice! These are for the Oh damn! On the door hinges, like in your door, you have those little hinges where your door slams in. Oh, these look freaking awesome! I did not expect it to be this good, this high of a quality. It is, I think, stainless steel. I don't care, but it looks really good. I have 4 of them, so each because I have a 4-door. That's kind of logic. Okay, this one. I have really no idea what this could be. Oh! It's the phone case. I ordered a Volkswagen phone case for my F7. And it looks pretty awesome. I think the color isn't right on camera, but it looks really good. This is a keeper. I've got my own phone is S7. I got a phone lying in my car for Google Maps and that kind of shit. I do have navigation in my radio, but I prefer to use Google Maps. I'm gonna put this on for sure. Next to big. Ooh, it is soft. Feels really weird. It's big. I don't know what it is. What is it? Oh, I don't know. What is this? I have literally no idea what it is. It looks like a TV antenna. It is a TV antenna. What is this? Clear TV key. Okay. I did not order this, and I do not know in like what it had to be. But I think now I can put a TV in my car or something. I have no idea. This is not something I ordered. But I'm just gonna put it back, and I'm not gonna like ship it back because yeah, that's too much effort for something that cost maybe like a €3. No, it feels the same as this one. This antenna. Oh, I sincerely not hope it's the same. I really know. And it's exactly the same thing. So now I've got 2 TV antennas, I think. I do not know. Oh, this so it's heavy. It's also heavy. This one. So I have 2 TV antennas because you can never have enough TV antennas, I think. Ooh, I almost got a wire. What is this? Oh! This is my trunk light. Wait, can I open it like this? These are the LEDs. They're like super small. I'm going to install in my trunk because the normal light is broken and I do want to have LED lights in them because when I work at night or get something out of my car I can see shit. These are nice. And they come with these, I think, mounting strips. In the next video I will fit all of this on the car. This one. I think I know what it is. I think this is like the USB charger for in your car. Yes, it is. Ooh. It looks pretty awesome. So in the next video I will like show everything how it works, how many voltage. Output 3.1 amps, I don't know. I do not think you can hear them. But what is this? These look also fucking nice. These are my new side decals. The old ones are like fucked up. So these are the new. Hang on, can you see this? Yeah, you can see it. I got my phone later so I can see what the camera is seeing. Damn. So they are silver, black and red. These are just the airline logos. And they look pretty awesome. I definitely going to install them. What I've got, I'm missing my flashlight. I think I ordered a TV antenna instead of a flashlight. And I think this is the front. It's a red one. No, I ordered a black one. But it's okay, it looks pretty nice. So this is the new front logo. I did order a back logo. From the back of the car. But as you guys can see, this was all it. And it did not come in the mail. That sucks. Okay, but for now, this is it. I think it has to be like this. I think this is it. Guys, thanks for watching. If you want me to do the giveaway on my headlights, so I can get new eyes, leave a like, comment, or anything. This video will be the last one in English, just because I can speak English pretty well, but when I'm with my friends I can do, because they don't speak English that well. So this will be the last video in English. The next video will be in my hometown, Netherlands, but it will have English subtitles, just the subtitles from YouTube itself. But I think most of you can go with it. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question about the stuff, it isn't much, I know. It were like 10 items and 2 TV antennas, I don't know why. Don't hesitate, just ask a question below. And if you did not already have, do subscribe, like, share, Insta, Facebook, I don't know. See you